Today we're changing an air conditioning compressor on a 96 Ford Explorer. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for reconnecting your vehicle's electronics back to the air conditioning compressor. Alright, we have two connectors we need to deal with on our air conditioning compressor. Your AC system will not function properly without both of them connected. This is a pressure sensor, and it actually detects the drop in pressure on the air conditioning manifold. When it detects that drop in pressure, it sends a signal to the vehicle's computer. The vehicle's computer then understands the signal and makes a decision to operate the duty cycle. The duty cycle commands the air conditioning compressor clutch on and off. This compressor clutch is built right in here, and it's magnetic. As you can see right here, this is all the farther the clutch operates, right there. It's going to send a signal through here, energizing an electromagnet, and it will suck this clutch down and actually begin driving the compressor. As you can see, the compressor pulley will free spin whenever your air conditioning is not being used, just like so. Once this clutch engages, it will begin driving the compressor and actually using horsepower and generating your air conditioning. These are your standard electrical style connectors. You just plug in like so. There's one, and here is the second one right there. That is the proper service procedure for installing your air conditioning electronics. From here, I'm going to go ahead and move into the serpentine belt.